Hey, would you like $10 in free gold? I would love to be able to send you $10 in free gold, and all it is going to take is for you to actually create a free account with the Sound Money Wallet app and add your own $10 in. So I'm actually testing out a system and it's pretty cool so far. I want to be able to benefit you by doubling up or basically, giving you what you put into it as well. And so I'm going to limit this to the first few people. So if this video is still up, you have the likelihood of getting some actual gold, and it's going to be actual fractional gold. And so the Sound Money Wallet allows you to buy as little as $1, or you can put in as much money as you want, and you can actually transfer it between accounts. So you can actually see, I actually set up my daughters with sub accounts that I can have a certain amount go into their account automatically each and every month. Let's say you are doing a fundraiser and you are running a program. People that are also involved with the Sound Money Wallet can actually send your foundation actual fractional gold or silver. And it's a really cool opportunity to be able to transfer a wealth of funds here that obviously, will hedge against inflation and the actual paper fiat money. And this is something that can be used internationally. So it is really, really beneficial to have an account because you never know what's going to happen with cash, or if you're traveling overseas, or maybe you have someone that is working on your team and they're finding difficulties in finding a method to earn commissions or get payments. Well, this is an opportunity for them to be able to collect money. And you can actually set this up so that it attaches to your own bank, and then you can pull the money out. It is extremely liquid, so you don't have to worry about, paying extra money to ship the physical gold back. It's all going to be stored in a secure vault. However, having said that, if you do have enough funds to purchase full whole ounce or 100 ounce bar amounts, then you have that ability to order up and have that gold physically shipped to you. So, like I said, we're testing out something here, and I want to be able to send you $10 in gold. So all you got to do, click that link below, and then you need to reach out to me and let me know that you registered a new account. Again, this has to be a new account connected to me. So I will see that you registered. I would also, or should also, see that there was funds put in, because I will earn a very, 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 very tiny 1% of the amount you put in. So if you're putting in $10, I'm going to earn 10 cents, which obviously is not, going to get me rich, but I'm also going to benefit you for the first few people. Notice I have $714 in my account. I'm going to share that with the first few people until I pull this video down. Another thing to share with this, as I mentioned, the Sound Money Wallet is a free registration, and you can host or house, I could say, up to $500 in gold. So let's say you decide to put in 500 instead, or 100 today and 100 next month, and 100 the month after that. After you have $500, okay, there is a requirement for a one-time upgrade, which then allows you to do and store unlimited gold and silver. Okay, that is a one-time $200 fee. I will actually be earning, as a disclaimer, a bigger commission off of that. And should you do that and upgrade, I will actually throw an additional $25 of gold your way. Or if you choose you want it in silver, I'll throw it in as silver. So again, all you got to do is create a brand new Sound Money account. You have to put in at least $10. Once you do that, reach out to me. It's going to take a couple days to clear. Once you know that that is actually cleared, we've communicated, then I will deposit and drop $10 into your account. And like I said, should you decide to upgrade and do the one-time fee to give you unlimited amount of storage, and let's say you are automating this or you want to be able to share it with other companies, let's say your church Instead of you putting a paper bill or a check in the offering plate, you set your church up with an account, and everyone at the church has Sound Money wallet accounts. They can easily have it go out and pull out of their accounts without you even have to worry about it. Okay, you can set up the date you want it to go, and basically easy peasy, it is ready and it pays out. So this has been Dave Gardner. If you have any questions, comments, leave them below. Once you again have established your account, you've made the $10 deposit, and I've seen it clear, then I will make the $10 deposit into your account as well. If you make the one-time upgrade, I'm going to give you another $25 in gold. Again, that is a one-time $200 upgrade. That covers a lifetime access or lifetime storage, unlimited storage, at least as the time of this video and the time, and what they have as far as their agreement goes. So obviously that's always able to change if the company decides to change. So a really cool feature to be able to share gold, invest gold, and to even do it with small increments and be able to set other people up at the same time. So if you have any questions, again, leave them below, and I look forward to seeing your gold grow in time. Take care.